Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about a very important number in personal finance. Now there are 7 personal finance number which you should know from your heart, but in this video I want to talk about the one number, and remaining 6 of them I will be doing every day in a later video. Okay, so what is the number I want to talk about in this video called net worth? What is net worth? Net worth is all about total value about the individual. So imagine if you want to find your net worth, there is a formula that you have to find all your asset, total asset, right, minus all your liability, and that give you the net worth. Okay, to give you better explanation, I want to give you a demo. So the formula is asset minus liability equal net worth. In terms of example wise, what are the assets? There are many, and I want to give you a few of them. One of them is saving account, because you save money to use for later use, right? And therefore you can keep on saving. In a saving account, there are multiple different as well. Some of them normal saving, some of them emergency fund as well. Those are fall into asset. Okay. Now the second one I want to talk about retirement saving. Retirement, you probably gonna start saving from young age, and then you're gonna do till maybe up to 65 years old. That will help you later time as well. So that is kind of saving, and which is asset. Now the third one is real estate, which is people buy a property and rent out. That is the main thing. People make a portfolio around them, like they buy multiple house, multiple commercial building, and then they make money with it, right? So if you buy a house and you hold it, you don't make any money. So that can't be a asset. But real estate is all about you buy a building, but you will make money out of that. Okay, that's what real estate portfolio about. So if you have some of them, that can fall into asset as well. The fourth one I want to talk about investment. Now, in terms of investment, there are multiple way people do that as well. Examples are stocks, right? There are bond stock, and probably people buy cryptocurrency, right? That is also investment, and it can be an asset. And people buy gold and silver. These all fall under the investment, which can be asset as well, because it's going to grow and you can make more money later as well, right? So that is as well. Now, other one, art and collectible item. So art mean like people actually can buy physical art. Some art even cost like a millions and millions and pounds, right? And collectible items such as, people buy classic car, maybe Rolex watch, like really old watch, and then they sell later time and they can make more money as well. Even some people collect stamps, like very 18th century, 17th century stamps, and they can even sell those, right? So these can also be asset as well. Now, these are the asset, and there are many. But if you ask me what is asset, it's about any product that you own have a value, which is asset. Now, we're going to be looking liability. What is liability? It is total debt and obligation, which means if you own something in credit, that is liability, okay, which is we have to pay them, like you are in debt, okay. So, to give you some example, liabilities are consumer debt. What is consumer debt? It's something that you want to buy, but you haven't got the money, right? So you buy in credit and you have to pay each and every month. Example, if you buy a car and pay every month to pay off, like maybe in 10-year time, that's liability. Or maybe you want to buy a computer, or maybe you want to buy a house in mortgage. That is also liability, because mortgage is all about the house that you can live on. You don't make any money, but you have to pay each and every month, okay. So that is liability. Now other things are such as loan, also liability, because you will take a loan to buy something, right? That could be normal loan, unmanaged loan, student loan, or even you might take a loan for buying car, maybe for your wedding, and so on and so on. So loan can be a liability as well. So what I want to do right now, I want to give you some demo based on example, like if a person who owns something, what are their liability? I want to give you what actually the person net worth, okay. So to give you the demo, let's quickly look at here. So let's say John is a guy who actually have around £100,000 in saving account. Then he has £480,000 worth of retirement saving, and then he probably have a real estate portfolio around £250,000 worth, and then also he may have investment around stock £12,000. In crypto he have £10,000. On bond stock he don't have none, but he also owns some gold worth around £5,000, and he don't have any art and collectible or even vehicle. So if I add all together, John have around £857,000 asset. Okay. Now let's look at his liability. Consumer debt around £3,600. In terms of loan, personal loan, £50,000. Student loan, £40,000. Car loan, he don't have none. In mortgage, he have £450,000, and other debt around £9,000, which total £552,600. So now we found the asset, how much worth he have, and also the liability he have, right? Now what we're going to do, we're going to use the formula to see how much net worth. Okay. All right, the formula I already gave you, which asset minus liability, which equal net worth. Now in terms of John, he have total of £857,000 worth of asset, and his liability around £552,600 worth of liability, which give him around £304,400 worth of net worth. So this is how you normally able to find how much net worth you have. So if you want to find your net worth, you simply have to find all your asset, what is your total asset value, and then find all your liability, which are your debts, and then you put together taking asset minus liability, that give you the net worth. I hope this give you a good explanation what is net worth, and if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. And if this video had any value to you, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and press the bell notification. Also remember, there are 6 more personal finance number you should know from your heart, and I will be making more video about that. I will be sharing with you guys. So anyway guys, stay tuned. I will be seeing another video. Until then, you guys take care and goodbye.